What's up, you guys? It's your boy Orlando, back again with another video. And today I decided that I'm going to share with you my how I actually clean my locks, the method that I use. I've been talking about this for quite some time, and that I was actually going to do a video with you. I just had to pick the right time and different things like that. So I have my beautiful wife here with me. She's going to actually go through and kind of clean my scalp a little bit. She's already been coached up. She's done it a few times, so she's familiar with the process. So before we get started, I'm actually going to show you what I'm using so that you'll kind of be familiar with the products and different things like that. I'll show you two products that I'm using tonight, and then the one that I'll use in the morning. So first off, we're going to start with just a regular cotton t-shirt, not a towel. The reason why we're going to use the cotton t-shirt is because it doesn't leave lint or anything in your hair. With locks, you know, you don't want to use a towel because it has lint in it and it'll get stuck in your locks as they're growing, and that can cause damage. So that's why we use this. The next thing, which is very important, I talked to you about before, is the dry shampoo by Tropical Roots. This does not require water. It does, it's pretty much a, it removes buildup, cleanses your hair and scalp, and it's rinse free, prevents itchiness, because you know with locks you have some itchiness, but with this it actually stops it. I don't scratch my hair hardly ever, and it deposits luster and moisture as well. So she's going to start off with this as she goes through my scalp, and she'll be using that. And then the next thing we're going to use after that is going to be our Rosemary Castro Oil mix, which is, we all know the rosemary and castor oil is good for oiling the scalp and the hair to keep it from being dry and from damaging your scalp as well. So, and then the last one we're going to use is, which in the morning we'll use a regular coconut oil, just spritz over the hair before I start my day. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So she's going to break down, kind of, you'll see what she's doing so that you guys will have an idea of how it works. All right, let's do this. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick wash and clean that I was able to show you all, kind of the products that I use and stuff like that. In the beginning process, like I say, I am palm rolled at the root and I'm instant crocheted on the tips. So it's not good to wash your hair, you know, when you're first starting out, because you'll detangle your hair and different things like that. So I found that this method is very effective. My loctician finds that it's very effective, and it keeps my scalp clean and well moisturized, and my locks are well moisturized, as you can see. I'll kind of show you a little bit. I have to hit the light from the right angle. So yeah, it's very effective. It's good. It works for me. It's been effective, and you know, it keeps my hair locked and it keeps my scalp clean, which allows my hair to grow in healthy and full and well oiled. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below and let me know. If you have any suggestions or anything that I could do to make the process better, definitely comment down below and let me know. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.